Came to this house and I saw this poor doggy out here on the porch. He keep on barking and he's shivering because he's cold.
Guys, if you ever see anything like this, please call the doctor, call me, call anyone. If somebody lives in that house, I'm gonna destroy them. Let's go.
Poor doggy.
They got some trophies. They got some trophies for being animal mugglers.
Look, Dan is playing with the dog.
He's not even wagging his tail. Poor doggy is cold out here.
Dang, I don't have enough storage on my phone. I think I need to. Guys, if you know who lives here, 532, whatever, blah, blah, blah,
Says
call me.
432. You guys know. Call 718-600-6440. Again, 718-600-6440.
Or 347-335-5408.
Again.
Again, 347-53. Wait.
What up, YouTube?
Three-
It's your boy, Johnny.
I
I just
forgot.
found this poor doggy. I just found this poor doggy. He was on the porch. He was so... Or just leave their doggy out. Look at its shaky hindquarters. That's...
Poor doggy. Now he's wagging his tail because he see us. We make him happy.
You call the police then.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's an emergency.
Don't do it.
What's the problem?
Oh.